Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to explain how you can convert a photo or image on Canva into a line art image like we see in that example design here on Canva. So let us get started. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the image or photo you're editing here on Canva. I will go with this example photo here. So what you want to do is navigate or left click into the given image and then navigate to edit at the top. Next, guys, what you want to do is scroll down here and under style match, click into see all. And then what you want to do, guys, is scroll down and you can choose, for example, I don't know, for example, a sketch, a line art, cartoon, any of these. I will go with line art, left click into it and wait for the effect to be applied. So it may take a moment. And you have it. So it has been converted into a line art image like this. So it looks hand drawn. And yeah, if you like that style, you can use that here on Canva. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.